Hello guys, in this video I will tell you about how you earn up to $200 a day using ChatGTP. In a short amount of time, ChatGPT, the text-based artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI, has become immensely popular, attracting 1 million users just 5 days after its launch. With extensive training resources, the model can respond to nearly any type of query, making it a versatile and efficient AI chatbot. While some view its multitasking capabilities as a threat to human jobs, ChatGPT is also being used to achieve professional and academic success, as well as earn up to $200 using ChatGPT. In addition, here are some 10 ways to earn through ChatGPT. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one way to earn using ChatGPT. Users of ChatGPT can also utilize this service to make money through affiliate marketing. One way to sell goods, services, and brands is through affiliate marketing, which involves promoting them on the website or another online platform in exchange for a cut of the sales. It is a lengthy procedure, and you must choose the audience building medium such as an article, audio, or video before using ChatGPT. Blogging. Starting a blog is the greatest approach to monetizing ChatGPT. With merely web hosting, you can start a blog from the beginning and see it grow in 6 to 8 months. A blog does not need a lot of money. It has been simpler using ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT may almost entirely cover any topic, writing articles will be simpler. You could direct ChatGPT to write a 1000-word blog post about a healthy diet. Next, ChatTalk will spew out an excellent essay about a healthy diet that has been expertly written. To avoid receiving a strike, it is urged that users modify this article. Content editing. Users can employ the software to offer editing services in addition to writing services. Using ChatGPT makes editing articles, blog entries, and other written content simple. Conduct research. ChatGPT can be used to research a variety of topics and concerns in addition to writing on a variety of topics. To acquire the answers you want from ChatGPT, one must grasp the subject and formulate the right queries. Virtual instructor. Many tutorial websites seek part-time employees to respond to students' inquiries about their academic courses. If you are knowledgeable about any fundamental subject, you can use ChatGPT to provide answers to the students' inquiries and then construct answers and reply to the students. Build software. Using ChatGPT, you may make easy-to-use tools for software that you can sell. For instance, if you have an issue with your online business and you see that many other people have the same issue, you may utilize ChatGPT to create software utilizing the codes provided by ChatGPT, and then you can sell the software tools to make money. Writing lyrics for music. The depth of emotions expressed in song lyrics always makes the song a hit. It is feasible to write lyrics that are similar and to make money. You can create song lyrics and put your ideas into words using ChatGPT. Create a recipe blog for food. Making a website and writing about recipes are the easiest ways to make money with ChatGPT. If you don't know how to cook, check ChatGPT for the most recent information on recipes. Get the most recent recipes using Google data. Utilize technology to provide a better reading experience by leveraging AI-generated visuals. Services for email marketing. Email advertising increases revenues. Email content that is correctly pitched and has attention-grabbing subject lines is worth promoting. It comprises retention, promotional emails, sequences, and newsletters. Discover SEO keywords. By requesting pertinent keywords from ChatGPT, you can also offer search engine optimization (SEO) services to other content-producing companies. ChatGPT can be used to generate powerful keywords, titles, and meta descriptions by providing the proper instructions, which will improve the content's online visibility. I hope you liked the video. If you find this informative, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.